Something feels off about this project.
So a ghostwriting firm came to me with a problem last month. Their sales team was spending hours every week on manual data entry and copying leads by hand into HubSpot, one row at a time. They gave me a sample sheet from an interview trial they ran, and I'm going to use that exact sheet today to show you the full system I built. Signal in, CRM out, and no manual entry anywhere. Input CSV. Before we touch any tool, let's look at what we are starting with. This is the input raw file: first name, last name, company name, industry, job title. Now 3 columns matter more than the rest: job title, industry, and follower count. And these 3 columns are what I use to build the business intelligence. That intelligence gets used inside clay.com later, not in this raw sheet right now. This is just the input. Keep a note on this. Signal. Now let's talk about signals, because this word gets thrown around a lot. A signal is simply something that just changed in a company right now. Example 1, a company posts a job opening that tells you something. Example 2, a company just raised a funding that tells you something too. Example 3, a leadership change, new VP, new director, first priorities. Example 4, a public complaint about a company. That's a signal too. Any of these can trigger a workflow like this one. And today we are using job posting as a signal. This is the interview trial data, as I said earlier, clay.com workflow. Here the architecture. Before we jump into doing something, we should plan the whole flow. 6 layers, top to bottom, inside clay. Layer 1, we import the raw data. Layer 2, here we enrich, connect details with formulas to categorize row type, authority level, company scale, personalized positioning, and conversation starter. And that's the opening lines with 3 variants. Level 3 is segmentation, where we use role type, industry category, followers count to determine the messaging angle. Layer 4, here we generate the personalization part with prompts for foundation angle, authority angle, and the curiosity angle. I'll explain later. Level 5 is the selection part, where we select which angle suits best for the contact. And level 6, we export the finished table as CSV. That's the full map for clay. And this data will be used to create email subject and email body ready for the CRM to store and send later in the workflow. Clay.com live. Here's the live table. First name, last name, this stay fixed on the left as we scroll. Now watch what happens as we move right. Industry category, this gets classified automatically per row. Next column, personalization angle. This is the strategic layer. It decides which angle fits this contact. Next, primary hook. This is the single sentence that anchors the message. And here, the opening line. This is the ChatGPT generated output ready to use, every row personalized automatically. Now, manual writing at all. All of these are created by using formulas and prompts based on the existing columns. Prompt document. Now let's look under the hood. This is the actual prompt document. First angle, the foundation angle. This prompt establishes credibility early in the message. This is second angle, authority angle. This drives opening line number 2. It lines on expertise and proof, not claims. This is third angle, curiosity angle. This drives opening line number 3. It's designed to earn a reply, not to explain everything, just enough to make someone curious. 3 angles, 3 prompts, 3 completely different opening lines per single contact. Download CSV. Table fully built now, every row enriched, every opening line generated. One click, tools menu. Export it to CSV, and this file is what feeds the next stage. That's N8n. Let's go there right now. Upload to N8n workflow. This is a simple form built inside N8n and upload clay file. One field, choose file and I'll select the CSV we just exported from Clay. Now submit, and the entire workflow takes over. N8n workflow walkthrough. Here's the full workflow running locally on my machine. Let's walk it left to right, node by node. First node, on form submit. This is the trigger I just showed you earlier. Moving through the system. Next node, extract from file. This formats the fields, cleans up names, and structures the data. This loop over item node feeds one row at a time. Next, edit fields. Here we select only those columns that are important to us and discard unwanted columns. This keeps the workflow data clean. Next is HTTP requests, and this uses Groq LLM, and that's free LLM to draft the email subject and email body using personalized opening lines and the primary hook column from our Clay table. Next node is code in JavaScript, strips all the unnecessary tags and gives a beautifully formatted email subject and body with all the selected data, and this makes things ready for HubSpot to import. And the last node, the HubSpot, this creates or updates the data supplied from the previous node. It creates or updates the contact record directly, no manual entry involved. And that's the full path from to HubSpot. 6 nodes, 1 flow. HubSpot before. Before we run this, let's look at HubSpot right now. 3 contacts total, me, Himadri, Sengupta, and 2 default HubSpot sample contacts. That's it, empty CRM basically. Now right now, these 2 columns matter. Generated email subject and generated email body. Both are custom properties I built inside HubSpot specifically for this workflow right now. Both empty, so let's fix that. N8n workflow run. Back to N8n. Let's execute the final node, HubSpot. On the left side, you can see the data that is created until now and waiting to go inside HubSpot account. Let's us execute this step, and there it is, a problem. Create or update a contact. Bad request means input failure. I quickly fixed this as one field mapping was off. Let's run it again. Second execution. This time, clean run all the way through. Look at this. CRM update is in progress. The data is getting pushed to live HubSpot account one by one right there. In the node output, that's fully successful exit. 7 rows process. But watch this one. More problem shows. Bad request, parameter check. Here's why. The failed specific contact had no email address at all. And this is not a problem. I can assure you, actually this is the system working exactly right. No email, no CRM entry. That row gets simply skipped. Workflow paused safely. That's not error. That's a guardrail. Hubspot After. Let's go back to HubSpot one more time. Look at this. New contacts all the way down the list. Every valid row from our Clay export now sitting inside HubSpot automatically. Scroll right again. Generated email subject filled in. Generated email body filled in. Every single value came directly from N8n, straight from our Clay data. 0 manual typing anywhere in this entire work process. So that's the full system job posting signal through Clay, through N8n into HubSpot. No spreadsheets, no copy paste, no manual entry anywhere in this chain. If you are evaluating a tool like this for your own team, or you are a recruiter watching this wondering what that role actually looks like, this is exactly it. Follow along. Next video, I'll go one layer deeper. Catch me there.